Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 gears simulation 3D animations in Blender 4.2. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make this. So I'm going to just close this project and everything start from beginning in Blender 4.2, and I will show you the step by step. The first, you have to go to the Edit, Preferences. Under the add-on, click Get Extensions, and here search for Extra. Then make sure you install the Extra Mesh object. If you not yet installed, you should be able to see an install button at here. Once you already done this, the Extra Mesh object installations, next step, go to the add-on, search for Extra. Then make sure the Extra Mesh object activated. Then close. In Blender 4.2, click the empty area, press A and press delete to delete everything. Next, add a mesh gear. Then, first, I'm going to just make number of teeth become 30. And the radius, I'm going to just put 3 meters. Alright, the rest you can just try it by yourself. Just make different patterns of the gear. So this is the big gear. I will just name this as big gear. Then next I'm going to make a small gear. Just add mesh gear. The gear, number of teeth as demo, I'm going to just make this as 10. The radius, I'm going to just put 1 meter. Now you have a small gear, you have a big gear. Alright, next, I will just move this to the side right here. Then I will just go to the edit mode to edit this. Just go to the edit mode. Then rotate it so that all of the teeth can fit in this way. Alright. Then now, back to the object mode here. Then next we are going to make a rotation. First, I'm going to make the big rotation. This one, it is under the rotation Z. So this one, I'm going to just put a hash frame for every 30 and press enter. Now you see, it will rotate. If I make it 60, it will become slower. Alright, next is the small gear. The ratio is 3, 1. 3 ratio 1, 1 ratio 3. So this one, I'm going to add a driver for the Z rotation. So right click, add a driver. Then move it up. Move your mouse cursor to here until you can see a cross, and drag it down. This part, choose driver. Click Z rotation at here. Click the driver. Then scroll down. The object, you have to select the big gear. And it will be 3 times the expression, 3 times 3. Multiply. Now we try to play with. Then make sure the type you choose Z rotation. Alright. Then play. The direction is wrong. That means you have to put a -3 right here. It should be -3. Then try again. Now you can see this gear already follow the principle of the mechanical gear just by using the driver. Next, I will just add some material texture. I turn on the texture. I'm going to make this as a metallic gear, just plus the metallic 100% the roughness. And this one, I'm going to make this as another color, for example red gear. Now try to play. You can see two gears it work together with the correct ratio, correct mechanism. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make two gears rotate together with the correct ratio by using the driver. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!